Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to configure the YouTube for full screen. So this video will aim to improve and enhance your video viewing experience in YouTube. So first let's open our YouTube application and now let's go to any particular video. So for example, let's say this video right here. Now, in order to play this video in a full screen, what I did was really hit this icon at the bottom of this playback, and here you can see that the video is playing in full screen. Now, you might be noticing that even though the video is playing on full screen, the edges are really not covered. So this is due to the length of your device screen. So what we can do is simply zoom into this video to fill the remaining edges as well, and here you can see that the video has zoomed to fill, and now you can enjoy a much better viewing experience since the content will be fully covering your mobile screen display. And if you cannot access this, so what you can do is simply go to the settings of your YouTube application, and from there you need to scroll down and hit playback, and from here you need to have enabled this feature called zoom to fill screen so that this task can be done automatically. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.